In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable with Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Lovable project linked to your Shopify store, so data can flow smoothly and you can build with confidence. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to both platforms and that you have the right permissions. In Shopify, you'll need the ability to install apps or approve integrations. In Lovable, you should have access to the project you want to connect. If you manage multiple projects, take a moment to confirm you're working in the correct one. Begin by opening Lovable and heading to your project dashboard. Choose the project you want to connect to Shopify. This ensures any data or configuration applies to the right workspace, especially if you're separating staging and production environments. Once you're inside your chosen project, look for settings in the project navigation. It's typically easy to spot in the menu. Click it to open your project's configuration area. If you don't see settings, you may not have sufficient permissions in that project, so check with an admin or confirm your role. Inside Settings, find and open the Connectors section. This page is where Lovable lists its available connections and third-party services. It's designed to keep integrations in one place, so you can see what's active and quickly add new ones without hunting through multiple screens. Next, locate the Shopify option and click it. This action begins the standard connection flow. From here, you'll be guided through an authorization process where you review what Lovable needs to access and confirm the connection. Keep your Shopify store details handy and make sure you're approving access for the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. The flow is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts and approve when you're ready. After you complete the authorization, you should see Shopify reflected as connected within the connectors area. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. You can also confirm on the Shopify side that the integration shows up under your apps and sales channels to ensure everything's synchronized correctly. If Shopify isn't visible in your connectors list, it may be a permissions or plan-related limitation. Make sure you're in the right project, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups during the authorization, and verify you're logged into the correct Shopify store in the same browser session. If issues persist, your workspace admin or support can help confirm access and availability. That's all there is to it. Open your Lovable project, go into Settings, head to Connectors, and click Shopify to complete the connection. Thanks for watching and happy building.